Now, cooking with Josephus wouldn't be possible without sponsors. So if you want to advertise on my aprons, call me at josephustv@aol.com. And speaking of sponsors, is you tired of wasting plates or cutting your hands wide open with sharp knives? My newest sponsor, Freewheel's Woodworking, they got the solution. They made old Josephus a cutting board, man. It's gigantic. And it's too nice to use. Freewheel Woodworking ain't just cutting boards. They also make serving platters, coaster sets, and freaking guitars, man. And cutting boards. Listen to what these customers has to say.
They made me a cutting board. It's gigantic, and it's too nice to use.
Check out the link, man. Like Freewheel's Woodworking and contact them for a high quality, made to order, one of a kind, 100% wood, and glue, and stain, and maybe some Earl and stuff, maybe a screw or a couple nails, but basically 98%, 100% wood crafts. Let them know Josephus sent you, and maybe I'll get a free guitar, man. How cool would that be?